Good morning. Today I am going to paint this room woodland stone. First thing that I did when I got up was to take off all the receptacles, wipe down the walls, vacuum out all the receptacles because there's a lot of dust, especially if you've never taken them out. There's all that construction dust in there. And then I take down all the places that I want to cut in, except for the ceiling. Usually if it's a ceiling, I can cut in without taping it off. Plus, I'm not too concerned because I have some of that paint that I can just touch it up if I don't get it exactly right. But I wanted to show you how I tape in, and the reason that I put it in little pieces like this is because when I pull it off, and I pull it off immediately after I paint it, because I don't want any chance of it sticking and then pulling any paint off. And so that's why I pull it, paint it off. All right. Let me see. Okay. I got my paint here. This is what the cut-in looks like. Just do everywhere where you won't be able to conveniently get the roller. So that's my next step, is to do the rolling, and then this room will be finished painting. Then to the flooring. Good morning. I didn't think you all wanted to watch me roll this whole room, and so I waited until the last corner. I don't have any certain pattern that I do this, but rolling is really easy. Once you've done the cut in. And also, again, on the roller, what I do is before I use the roller, I use tape, and I tape it up, all the roller, and then once I remove the tape, and that's supposed to help remove any lint, then I run it under cold water. And then I take a towel and dry it off. And then that should be ready. You're all okay. I finished painting that room. If you want to know which paint I used, it was Valspar from Lowe's. I love Lowe's. It's eggshell, and the name of the paint was Woodland Stone. And also, I wait a day, and then I go back and inspect the wall for any spots. And if there are any spots, I'll use a paintbrush and paint it on, and then I'll use a smaller roller just to go over it to make sure it looks like it's blending in and matching. And then I don't put the receptacle covers back on until a couple of days after I paint it, just to make sure that they're not going to stick. And also, I do love construction work and renovating, but I also wanted to start another channel for something that's near and dear to my heart. I won't reveal what it is yet. I'm hoping that a lot of people may like it and subscribe. Subscription is free, because right now I'm feeling unlike Sally Fields, who says they like me, they really like me. I would say the opposite of that right now. But I don't feel bad because I kind of don't like the videos myself. But hopefully I'm getting better as I go along, and we shall see. It takes me 3 hours or more to get all these stuff submitted and combined and clipped and cut. My production crew, which is me, needs to brush up on its techniques because I've never done this before. Anyway, so of course my song that I play at the end of every video, of course, is one that I recorded because I'm scared to death of singing in front of people. And so I recorded this, and I made a pact that if I got 50 subscribers, I would re-record it. But unfortunately, I guess they love this so much that they just want to keep hearing it. Oh, and I pressed the wrong thing, of course. There you go. I wanna thank you for stopping by, if only for a moment to say hi. And subscription is free,